Hello my lovely ravens, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chantel and today I'm going to show you the flip through of my Junk Journal July journal. It is a chunky boy and let's just get into it, shall we? I found it hard to complete this challenge, to be honest. Probably with everything else that I've got going on in my life and my web shop and whatnot. By the way, for those who don't know, my web shop will be on darkestravendesigns.com and not on Etsy. So I'm stepping away from Etsy. Anyway, let's get into this journal. So I made a closure by putting a little rivet in here and with, by the way, this handy thing that my friend Kristen sent me. Thank you, Kristen. Super handy. I finally have one. It is a Crocodile 2 Big Bite and I am super happy with this thing. Anyway, let's open this on up. It wraps around here. I put a little, I don't know, what is it? A little, well, it is a bell with a bead thingy there at the very end. And then it opens like so. I did not do anything with the cover, mainly because I kind of like the grungy look of it. And it doesn't always need something, you know, it's so busy on the inside. There's a whole bunch of tags here on the side. And by the way, this journal will be in my shop if you're interested in that. And I have no idea at the time when I'm filming this, when the shop will be open. It opens like so, and we've got this part on the side here, and it has a little tag here, and it says "Dare to Fail," and all these tags are made for journaling on the back. Or hey, perhaps a small photo or something. I still need to put a dangly here. I see I put a little ball pin here, but I didn't put anything on it, so I will do that off camera. Then obviously there can be journaling here, and this is just all the bits that I cut out with my Cricut, and I did not really use it, but I've just put them in here so you can, you know, when whoever buys this journal can just use all the bits. Little butterfly stamp there. These parts flip open. There is a tag here. Creativity takes courage, and another tag here which says cherish every moment. Open back. And then there is a tag here as well. Real, not perfect. And another tag here, nourish your soul. All right, now when we flip this open, there is that layered tag here that you can journal on the back. It's pretty heavy because it's got a chipboard piece on it, but a big pocket so you can put whatever you like in there. And then it has 1, 2, 3 pockets here. This one has a journaling card. Every ending has a new beginning. And then I've just put all the pieces of paper that I didn't use, that they look kind of vintagey, like ads and stuff like that for companies. I thought they look pretty cool in here, so I just popped them in here. And this is a very deep pocket. It has another 2 of those in there. And they can be used as journaling cards or as, you know, ephemera, whatever you want really. Then at the back here is another big pocket, and that's the Memento Mori minimalistic page with some bats as well. And then this is made from wallpaper. And this is the inside, has a little tag. It's also made from wallpaper. This is a pocket there. And then at the back here, there's another pocket. And then there's an envelope in here. I don't think it has anything in it. I don't know. Did I put anything in it? Ooh. I did, but just a piece of paper. Just a piece of journaling paper. The little rusty paper clip. And then it just has some stained papers inside. It goes there. Let's flip through this thing. This was the very first page. I can't remember all the prompts, but this was the first one. Little key there. I did make a number 3 tag, but it kind of was falling apart, so I replaced it with a metal charm. Journaling space, and all the pages that I left empty are basically just journaling space. Let's put a little tag in there with journaling space at the back. Reinvent flower. This can be taken out. And journals on the back. It's like a text invoice statement thing. And this whole thing can be taken off. There's journaling space at the back. You can place that wherever you want, really, in the journal. Put this back in there. This is a flip out. And when you see this on my Instagram, it's very hard to see because of all the things going on, but yeah. Flips out that way too. I'm kind of happy with this thing. It's very textural and stuff. Lots of sewing. I did that off camera, just a little, you know, page with a lot of embellishments and bits and bobs. This is one of the things I made for another page, but I put it in this spot. Just has various papers. I really like this thing for some reason. It's really cool. And I do like how it looks with this rusty paper clip on top. Yeah, really like this one. It's a little tuck spot. This was for the prompt, what was it again? Clashing patterns. And I use this white paper because I don't have that stark white paper anywhere in this journal. So I use that white paper and then the very contrast of the black with that. I don't know if it's cheating when I applied the gesso and then it kind of blended in. I don't do clashing patterns, I just don't. So there we go. Black and white wedding photo and some journaling space on the back of the card. Oops. Lots of butterflies throughout the journal. Journaling space there, journaling space here. I do like this element in there. See that with that paperclip, this thing was originally sitting here, but it was getting too bulky. This was your favorite quote, which is for me from Sirius Black with stenciling and geometric. 3 prompts in one. I can't remember what these prompts were. I have to look back, but maybe textured. It's a very textured page. There's tissue paper. There is a stencil with modeling paste. There's sewing. There's layers of paper. There's wallpaper. So much going on here, but I do like this page. And this is this doily flip out thing. It's very cute. This butterfly sticks out when you close the journal here. But it's very sturdy because it's cardboard. Or no, not cardboard. It's very thick paper and it kind of looks like cardstock. There we go. And another one here. Not sure about this one. Looks like a giraffe pattern. I don't know. Time out was just a kind of a prompt, kind of a quote kind of page. So yeah, the steampunk kind of page. It was fussy cut, I think, and I put some charms here at the bottom. A little cog and a clock. Clock element. I do like this one. It's a flip out. And it has, yeah, that was a transparency. No, not transparency. Was it tucked in, I think? Yeah, so I've got a tuck in a tuck in, and it was also black and white. So these photos are black and white. This is a black and white background. So yeah, there's one there. And there's another one there. Lots of sewing going on again. And then the color chart. What was the prompt? Color palette? I think go-to palette, I think. And then there's another one here. And this is from reused Ziploc baggies, but it's perfect when you just sew it on. Reused plastics. This was, I can't remember what the prompt this was, but it's just a focal point and it's a flip up and some lace. The cutout, which I made a window thing, window frame, thought it was cute. And peaceful is the prompt here. So I just put that prompt there. And then on the other side, I put some advertisement stuff that you can see through the window. I thought it was cute. Flip out. This is maximalism. I did layer a lot on this page, and at first it came out a little bit more like French romance kind of style until I added the bugs and the other bits and pieces, and now it's more like a Tim Holtz kind of thing. And I added also some foiling stuff, so now it's all gold and shiny and pretty, but still Tim Holtzy. And then there's 2 pockets here that I didn't fill, but I'll leave that up to the owner of the journal. So that is my flip through of Junk Journal July. Hope you like it, but you will see this in my shop. See you all in the next one. Bye bye.